This video is just a kind of an introduction of the project boxes. Here you can see the push buttons that we're going to use. At the top there's a lot of pilot lights that'll give us different indicator lights of different things that are happening. We've got the conduit system that connects to these junction boxes up at the top with some terminal strips in. And then ultimately we get down to our field or our remote locations for our different input devices that we can input into our circuits from the field. And then we come all the way back to the box. Once you open up the box, you'll see there's a terminal strip, and we'll talk a little bit about that terminal strip, those different jumpers in there, the components, the motor starters, the contactors, the power supply that ultimately we'll be working off from. And then on the door there are many different input devices as well. Push buttons with different sets of contacts, both normally open, normally closed, depending on the job that we're doing. And then I'm going to show you how to remove one of the contacts. I apologize, my hand kind of gets in the way. But you need to use your small little screwdriver. It goes into the bottom and you kind of lever that screwdriver up just a little bit, and you'll see that terminal's going to pop off from there, like that. Once the terminal's popped off, then you can change the terminal, put a different terminal on, go from a different contact. And then also I'm going to show you right here how the terminal reinstalls. There's a little notch up at the top. It has to line up correctly with the terminal, and then it hooks on the top, and then it will snap down, and the terminal will be installed onto the push button. The lights at the top are real simple. There's just two screws, an X1 and an X2. It's basically a hot and a neutral, so no big deal there. And here's our terminal strip. Vertically we have continuity on that terminal strip, so from the top to the bottom.